Hello, in this short tutorial I show you how to solve a color difference application. The task is to detect if one side of the object is coated or not. The object color can change and also the coating colors can be different. So the question is there a difference between the colors of the two sides? The challenge here is that the object can move plus minus 20 millimeters. So we use two focus optics and object distance of 50 millimeters. For the setup we use the PC software CR tool. First we select the color difference mode, and secondly we have to set the gain and lighting intensity by using the auto set range button, and then we perform the white balance procedure. And so now we check on the teach-in side if the difference between the two channels is 0, and the current values show that's not, so we have to perform the inter-channel balance so that the difference between the two channels gets 0. If you use different colors, repeat the step for each color. The matching of both channels will be increased in this way. After balancing the two channels, you see the current color differences values on the left side that they get to 0. This shows good matching. So we store this color in the table, and in the field color distance we can now observe every changing compared to the stored color. So when we move the object 1 centimeter to the right side, we see in the software a color difference of 9.2, and when we increase the movement to 2 centimeters we get 13.5. So now we can move the object also to the left side 2 centimeters, and we get a color distance here of 15 around. And because the color distance is unsigned, we look to the signed color difference values. So there's a lightness of plus 13.2, and when we move the object to the right side we get a minus 10 here in this field. Now we move the object forward in the middle position and get a color difference of both sides of 21. That is a little bit more than the movement influences that we had seen before. So we can conclude for smaller color difference, the positioning between the two optics should be made more carefully with smaller tolerances.